Makiria ma kaunti ikumi rugongo rwa bururi iri ugwati-ini wa ng'aragu, makiri maingi ma family ikiaga wiki kumana na ucenjia wa riera na wagi wa mbura kwa ihinda iraya. Kuringana na riboti ya ruhonge rwa mutharaba mutune, family 100 kaunti-ini ya Turkana itirĩ na gĩa kũrĩa gwata maĩ ma kũnyua. Bururi-ini wi wothe kaunti 23 ing'etheirwo ni ng'aragu. Riu Ateti kuuma rugongo rwa bururi makiria President William Ruto anirire marũrũ maya ta ugwati wa kibururi.
We have lost almost all livestock, which means his livelihood. The next thing is human life is in serious danger. So the first thing is we pray to Almighty Allah to give us rains and to save our people. The second thing is the government of Kenya. His Excellency Dr. Ruto, we want you to take a very serious action. We want you to declare drought or this disaster as a national disaster today.
Mwambĩrĩrio-inĩ wa kiumia gĩkĩ mũthabara wa irio nĩ wahurirwo cabithi ngira-inĩ wa iregi nĩ President William Ruto, no kũringana na ateti aya irio ici nĩ nini mũno gũkĩringithanio na family iria irabatara ũteithio.
20,000 bags of rice, 20,000 bags of beans, and assorted animal feed, together with cooking oil that will go to the various parts of our country that today are facing serious challenges of drought.
The government just recently, last week, has flagged off some food or relief food, which is a very, very small amount of food, which even is not enough to a quarter of the affected population. I appeal to the government to kindly take this matter seriously, act upon it, the way they are taking the issue of fertilizer seriously.
Please appeal to international community to come, people to come and help people of Kenya. The drought is very serious. Tunakuomba ufanye bidii.
Ginyagia riu thirikari nĩ irekereirie kimanjika kia muigana wa ciringi bilioni 1.1 kuri kaunti cia Turkana, Wajir, Mandera na Garissa iteminire ya kugitira aikari kumana na kwihirira kwa marũrũ ma ng'aragu.
Please remember everything you told us, including what you said in the economic forums, what you said about the irrigation, and that you will do it for the people there to improve food security. But unfortunately, we are not seeing the goodwill from the president and the government on the side of the pastoralists who are in a very, very dire situation.
Makiria ma Kenya milioni 4 nĩo makũrirwo maitho nĩ ng'aragu gĩcigo-inĩ kia Mount Kenya, imwe cia icigo cia kaunti cia Nyeri na Meru ikĩhutio. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwaura wa Ndung'u.